Hey guys, it's just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 67 Mustang. It's now an AM/FM 8-track with Bluetooth and USB and a heck of a lot more output power. This comes from Derek in Fort Worth, Texas. I'd like to extend a special thank you to Derek for being so understanding about the fact that I lost a month of productivity while I was in the hospital. I'll just give you a quick look here because I probably haven't shown anyone, but I had a burst appendix with a perforated bowel. This is normally 2 small incisions, pulled the bad one out, but they also had to remove part of my colon, so it's a good 5-inch gash down the center of my stomach. So I've been out of the hospital about 3 weeks. I'm just now getting back to mobility and being able to do stuff. So okay, let's run this puppy through its paces. I've got it set to the 1 strong AM station I get in my area, so let's turn it on.
And if you can believe it, we are.
And while we have it on talk radio, we'll test our balance and fader functions.
32 comes out today.
Okay, original balance.
I started
all the way
this
left,
podcast out of my
all the way right,
dorm room at Harvard
left,
a few months ago.
right.
I started it in February. I had 5.
Okay, now we also have a front rear fader, and that's activated by the tone control. We're going to try that.
Hi everyone. Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're all the way front, all the way rear. We're doing all this with a tone control. All the way rear. Okay, I'm going to center this, center them. Fader set. Alrighty, let's go ahead and we may get a couple more stations toward this end. Sometimes they come in, sometimes not. Okay, they're not coming in today. Go back to our strong station. So we're going to go over to FM, and because we don't have presets, we'll have to run through the stations really quick. So there's no more than 2 or 3 seconds worth of a song. So let's go to FM, off on. Now we're on FM. We'll just run it down the dial. Kind of quick.
Author of Dividing Paradise.
No matter what.
My defender went.
It lays.
In the same, but 9 hours.
Home, I was a fool with the big poet. Abs, teen girls.
Need that hard of stuff.
Alrighty. Okay, let's take this off station so we don't get nailed for copyright. Let's try the 8-track.
Choo-choo train. You know I know the advice that I give. It means wait. Got a one-way ticket. Oh, that's to keep to get out and mix.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth's working. Let's try the USB stick. Make sure it plays my radio commercial.
They don't hear that encouragement. They don't feel that love. They don't sense that acceptance.
Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track that's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Okay, that song I could play in its entirety because I wrote it and I hold the copyright. You probably haven't heard that from a YouTuber, but yes, I am the official copyright owner for that song. Let's test our dial light. Yep, you can see it. You probably can't see it, but I can. There we go, flashing on and off in response to my command. So that takes care of everything. We got AM, FM, I got USB, Bluetooth is all working, and so dial light's working. So we're ready to send her back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me through my website, which is in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute series of questions, because that keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done, and off the phone where no work gets done. So, thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Derek, for your business all the way from Fort Worth, Texas, and for being so understanding about my little hospital condition there. And we'll see you guys next time.